Welcome back, my dear students. Let's complete the last part of the text. Yes, paragraph 3, similarities and differences between the two countries' education system. Like Finland, مادام حكى like معناه he's going to tell us about the similarities. Like Finland, Taiwan has 9 years of compulsory education. يعني الجملة هذه ممكن تجينا بشكل آخر. Both countries have 9 years of compulsory education. True or false? Of course true. Of course true. After which, in both countries, students choose either an academic or vocational path. بعد ما يدرسوا 9 سنين تعليم إجباري بيختاروا إما اللي هو النظام الأكاديمي أو المهني. Very few إيش هنا؟ few refers to what? Very few students. يبقى very few refers to students. Very few choose to leave school in either country. Okay. طبعا ممكن تجيك true or false. Many students choose to leave school in either countries. طبعا of course false. One important difference الآن احنا عرفنا اللي هو similarity إنه both countries have 9 years of compulsory education. Now let's move to the difference. One important difference, however, is in national test. الاختلاف بين البلدين في نظام الاختبار. National test. Okay. Which are very important. طبعا which هنا refers to national tests. Which refers to national tests. Which are very important in Taiwan. يعني these tests are important in Taiwan, but much less هنا refers to much less important. يعني أقل أهمية من مين؟ in Finland. Okay, so true or false? National tests are very important in Finland. طبعا false. They are much less important in Finland. This is the difference between the two countries. Now, what is the writer's conclusion or advice? نشوف إيش هي نصيحة الكاتب. Can other countries learn from the Finnish and Taiwanese experience? Can we get some lessons from this experience? نشوف. There are surely it means certainly بالتأكيد some lessons that can be learned as long as. What does it mean as long as here? It means if. يعني في دروس ممكن نستفيد منها إذا we remember that. Yes. So what is the lesson here? Applying one country's system, this is the advice or the conclusion هنا, or the lesson. Applying one country's system to another isn't a simple solution to all the problems. What does it mean? It means that we should take the something that fit our situation. We shouldn't apply one country's system to another country يعني in order to solve our problem. This is the writer's conclusion. Okay. Now let's see the activity on the last two paragraphs. Question number 1. How are Finland and Taiwan similar and different in their education system? نعرف what are the difference and the similarity. The difference and the similarities. What does the writer advise the education ministers who look at Finnish and Taiwanese experiences? شو كانت نصيحة الكاتب لوزراء التعليم الذين يتطلعون لتجارب فنلندا وتايوان في التعليم? Yes. Read the two paragraphs again and answer the questions. Now let's see the answers. They are similar in that both countries have 9 years of compulsory education. Good. They are different in the national tests, which are more important in Taiwan. Okay, so the similarity and the difference here. The last one, what does the writer advise? نشوف. To remember that just applying one country's system to another is not a simple solution to all problems. نصيحة الكاتب إنه ما نطبق نفس نظام بلد لبلد آخر كحل للمشكلة، طبعا ما بينفع. Now let's move to your book, exercise 2. Decide whether these statements are true or false. If there not enough information to decide, choose doesn't say. 1. The writer suggests that the economic success of Finland and Taiwan is rather surprising. 2. The writer believes there is a connection between education and economic success. 3. Tuula Hatainen thinks clever students should have special lessons. 4. The education systems in Finland and Taiwan have more differences than similarities. 5. The writer says that other countries should copy هنا means should apply the education systems of Finland and Taiwan. طبعا test yourself and do the exercise. Yes, have you finished? Let's see the answers. Number 1, is it true? Yes, the writer suggests that economic success of Finland and Taiwan is rather surprising. طبعا من وين عرفنا؟ من الجملة اللي بآخر جملة في paragraph 1. حكى is it an accident؟ هل هي صدفة؟ طبعا يعني معنى الكلام is rather surprising. 2. The writers believe there is a connection between education and economic success. طبعا true. هذا الكلام نضلنا ذاكرينه للفقرة للبيريود 2 عشان حيكون عكس هذه النظرية. Tuula Hatainen thinks clever students should have special lessons. Of course, false. They don't have to divide between students at an early stage. It's very dangerous. 4. طبعا the education systems in Finland and Taiwan have more differences than similarities. طبعا doesn't say. حكى في difference في similarity بس ما حكاش في تشابه واختلاف أكتر من الثاني يعني. The writer said that other countries should copy education system of Finland and Taiwan. طبعا false. ليش؟ لأنه حكى إنه it is not a simple solution to all the problems. Of course, so it's false. Okay, طبعا exercise 3 vocabs. I think I have explained it. Let's see the last question. 2 success stories. The subheading or at the beginning of the text, I think you have seen 2 success stories and what we have, and what we can learn from them. Please think and tell me what have you learned from the lesson today. يا ريت تفكروا في جواب السؤال وتقولوا لي شو استفدتوا من الدرس هذا. Please think carefully and send me your answers at the virtual classroom. Goodbye.